This video is for educational and documentary purposes only. It does not promote or encourage alcohol consumption.
The name Jack Daniel comes from its founder, Jasper Newton Jack Daniel, a real person.
Jack Daniel's isn't just whiskey keeping. It's a legend born in Tennessee.
Jack Daniel's starts with a precise grain mix, 80% corn, 12% rye, and 8% malted barley.
This water gives Jack Daniel's its clean and smooth character.
The grain recipe begins with corn, rye, and malted barley. Corn adds sweetness. Rye adds spice. Barley helps fermentation.
The grains are ground into a fine meal.
This meal is mixed with hot spring water to create mash.
Now comes fermentation, where alcohol is born.
Yeast is added, and magic begins.
For 6 days, yeast turns sugar into alcohol.
This liquid is now similar to beer Compasspeed, but stronger.
Next step, distillation. Distillation separates alcohol from impurities. The result is a clear spirit called White Dog.
But Jack Daniel's isn't done yet.
Now comes the Lincoln County process.
The whiskey drips through 10 feet of maple charcoal.
This step smooths the whiskey before aging. This is what makes Jack Daniel's truly unique.
Next, the whiskey is ready for barrels.
Barrels are made from American white oak.
Each barrel is charred on the inside.
Heat and cold push whiskey into the wood.
Jack Daniel's uses no age statement. It's ready only when it tastes right.
Each bottle is carefully labeled.
This is Tennessee whiskey perfection.
That's how Jack Daniel's is made.